I'm going to show you how to download and install WinRAR in your computer. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, WinRAR is a cool software that you can use to unzip zipped files. Now, as you can see on my desktop, I have this file which is zipped. Now, I'm going to download and install WinRAR so that I can be able to unzip this file. So I'll just go to my Chrome browser. Then I'll search for WinRAR. Then you need to click on the first link. Then it will bring you to this home page. Now you will see the blue button, download WinRAR. Just click on it. Then you need to scroll down. Then you will click on download WinRAR. This Windows security pop-up will come to your computer, which my screen recorder does not allow to record. So I'm just going to click on yes. Then install. Then just click on OK. Then done. Now if you go to my desktop, you are going to see this file as now it has a logo of WinRAR. Now I'm just going to right click. Then you can extract the file. You can extract here, or you can extract to that folder. So I'm going to click on extract to the name of the file. So the file has been extracted. It is down here. This is the file. So guys, that's how you can simply download and install WinRAR in your PC. So if you found the value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video.